These tiny little screw adapters are the key to rigging out your camera, and what's best of all is that they only cost a few cents each, and they're so tiny and light that you can carry loads of them about with you in your camera bag or in your pocket, and they hardly take up any space at all. Believe me, they are the cheapest camera accessory that I've got, and they're the ones that I use more than any other. Forget bulky setups. This tiny little screw adapter seamlessly integrates your essential camera gear, like vibrant LED lights and even your smartphone or a field monitor, connecting directly into your rig, making a truly dynamic and professional setup simpler than ever before. Take a look at these camera accessories and you'll see that they all have one common denominator. They all have a female 1/4 inch screw thread. So the accessories like lights and like phone holders all have a female 1/4 inch thread, and the accessories that we want to attach them to, like L brackets, cages, extension rods, etc., also have 1/4 inch female threads. So how are we supposed to attach them? Well, that's where these 1/4 inch adapters come into play. Instead of looking for an accessory which has a male 1/4 inch screw coming out of it, all you need is one of these male to male 1/4 inch adapters. Once you screw this in to the accessory which you want to attach to your rig, everything becomes much simpler. Now I can just screw this in to my L bracket or into my cage, and the accessory is now attached. And now I can attach my phone to my A5100, which doesn't have a hot shoe, which would allow me to put it in a phone holder, just by using the MagSafe. These small adapters are the bridge between your gear, allowing for seamless integration of accessories like LED lights to brighten your scene, and field monitors or even just your mobile phone for enhanced monitoring. They unlock a world of possibilities, transforming your portable rig into something light which doesn't take up enormous space. These vital 1/4 inch adapters provide the flexibility required for dynamic content creation. They are the essential link for mounting your accessories. It's all about convenience and maximizing your production quality. Another tiny rig adapter that I love is this cold shoe to male 1/4 inch screw. This allows you to connect the cold shoe part to your camera's hot shoe, and then attach the accessory that you want to attach to your camera to that male 1/4 inch screw. And believe me, it really is useful to be able to attach your accessories to your camera's hot shoe. But maybe you want more control over the angle of the accessory, and here's the solution to that. This tiny adapter has a female 1/4 inch thread on the bottom, which can be attached to the male screw of the cold shoe adapter, and on the other end it has a small metal ball head with a 1/4 inch male screw on the top. By adding this ball head accessory in the middle between the cold shoe adapter and the accessory itself, we now have control over the angle of the accessory. I have a number of these ball head accessories, and I use them in nearly every session which I do. I even use them attached to my cheap mini COB LED lights, which are quite small and don't weigh very much, meaning that I can position them perfectly every time. Having a collection of these 1/4 inch screw adapters is the key to transforming your camera rig. They provide the crucial flexibility and compatibility that you need to bring your creative visions to life. And best of all is that they cost just pennies or cents. And they're so tiny and easy to store in your camera bag or in your pocket. Start today by exploring the possibilities that these mini adapters give you for unlocking your photography and your filmmaking. Let us know in the comment section if you use these tiny screw adapters yourself and whether you find them useful. Talking about useful, if you found this video useful, please like and share it. And if you're not already subscribed, subscribe to my channel for more photography and tech related content. You'll find affiliate links to gear used in the making of this video in the description section down below. If you do purchase something through one of my affiliate links, the price to you will be the same, and I will receive a small commission, which will help me to continue creating content for you here on my channel. So until the next time, this is Andy at Photechvideo signing off. Take care and be safe, and see you in these next videos.